Chapter 1. Market Watch Basics. The Market Watch window is positioned at the top left side of the application. By right-clicking the panel and choosing the option Show All, you can display all the symbols and quotes offered by Neuron markets. You can use the Chart Window option to add the chart of the selected symbol to your chart window. Alternatively, you can left-click on an instrument and drag and drop it into the chart window. Please be aware that with this method, the chart will be replaced. Every trading instrument is represented by two quotes, the bid and the ask price. In the top left corner of the frame panel, you can see the current server time displayed as GMT+2. By right-clicking on the panel, a drop-down menu appears with several useful options, such as Time, which shows the time of the last update of the quotes on a specific symbol, or High-Low, which displays the highest and lowest recorded quotes of the specific instrument in that particular minute. There are three ways to view the graphical representation of the current bid prices in the Tick Chart tab. The first one is to right-click any of the symbols and select the Tick Chart option from the drop-down menu. The second option is to press the spacebar on your keyboard. The third method is to click the word Tick Chart at the bottom of the Market Watch window. In our next tutorial sessions, you will get to know more about the Market Watch panel. Thank you for watching.